This video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw from Binance to M-PESA, okay? So in the previous video I made about withdrawing, I made a video about withdrawing from Deriv to Binance. So today I'll be showing you how to withdraw from Binance to M-PESA, okay? So this is an instant process, it does not take a lot of time. So let us get directly into it. So what you do is this. So first of all, you open your Binance app. Once you open Binance app, you go and click on buy and sell, all right? Yeah, so basically you come and click on buy and sell. Once you click on buy and sell, all right, so mostly when you open the app, you'll find it at buy like this, okay? So I want you to come and click on sell, all right? So it is here, click on sell. Oh, let me click sell, sorry. No, let me click sell. You want to sell. All right, now once you click on sell, now I want you to select where your money is. So if your money is in TRX, you select TRX. If your money is in USDT, you select USDT, all right? Yeah, so for those who transfer their money in USDT form, just come and select USDT. If you transferred it in TRX, okay? I hope you understand. So let me select USDT currently. So after you select USDT, you come and input the amount you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to withdraw around, let's say 200. So I'll come and select 200. All right. Yeah, so once you select 200 like that, okay. So you proceed and click on preview order. Now, before you preview order, you have to select the receive method. You have to come and select, do you want to receive through bank transfer, mobile money, pay bill, and so on. So I'll select mobile money, and then you input your number. They will guide you on that, all right? Yeah, so after that, you basically come and click on preview order. So once you click on preview order, you give it time to load. All right, so there it is loading. Sell USDT to Kenyan shillings. After that, you come and click on confirm. All right, as you can see, that is the amount I will receive. Once you click on confirm, you input your passkey. Most times your passkey will either be your fingerprint or your face ID. So I'll come and input my fingerprint like that. So as you can see, I'm being guided. Yeah, so once you do that, all right, yeah, you give it a minute to load. As you can see, it is loading, and as you can see, it will start processing. Now, I want you to see what will happen. So right now, you'll see the M-PESA message coming in. So let us give it time. As you can see there, yeah, I will not edit this video so that you can see how long it takes. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, the order is processing. If you want to view details of your transaction, you can proceed and press on view details, and you can be able to see the details of the transaction you have made. All right, yeah, I will not show you that. Yeah, but yeah, so as you can see there, sell a crypto, your sale of 200 USDT is successful. Okay, so let us wait and see if the message will come in. Let's wait. Okay, we are still waiting. Yeah, this is actually the fastest way to withdraw from Deriv to M-PESA, okay? Because right now, as you know, payment agents are really stressful. Some of them are really sketchy. They are taking time to give you your money after withdrawing. It is frustrating. So with Binance, at least, you are sure. Oh, sorry, I've turned on the DND mode. I don't know if it has entered. Oh, as you can see right there, as you can see, M-PESA, you have received it right now. You have received 24,000 from Choice Microfinance Bank, okay? And that is basically how you do with your withdrawal, okay? Yeah, as you can see, you have received this M-PESA message right now, as you can see now. Yeah, and that is basically how you withdraw from Deriv to Binance and from Binance to M-PESA, all right? If you have not watched the Deriv to Binance video, I'll put it at the end of the video, and I'll put the link in the description, so you can go and check it out. But this, guys, is basically how you withdraw from Deriv to M-PESA fast. Stop going and stressing yourself out with these payment agents. They are stressful. They are taking a lot of time. Some of them are sketchy. Some of them will not even send your money after days. So go download Binance. I'll put also the link in the description. Figure out how to deposit your money there. There are many videos to show you that. And then go watch our video on how to withdraw from Deriv to Binance. And then now you follow what you have done here to withdraw from Binance to M-PESA with no delays. It is instant, okay? If you have any question about this, let me know. And yeah. If you come to Binance and you fail to find the buy and sell here, you can proceed and click on add funds. Once you proceed and click on add funds, you can come and click on basically P2P trading. You click there. All right. So once you click there, you can just come and find it here. All right. As you can see, buy and sell is here. All right. Yeah. So basically, guys, that is how you can do it. All right. As you can see, sell is there, buy is there. Everything is there, so it is up to you to figure out how to. But yeah, most times you'll find it at this bottom bar right here. If you have any trouble with this, let me know. And if you feel you want more explanation, let me know also. I'll be able to make another video for you, okay? Okay, and before you end the video, another thing I want to mention that I know will make a lot of you happy is that imagine the fee for withdrawal in Binance is 130. Most payment agents are offering this, are basically allowing to withdraw using a fee of 125, I don't know, 124, I don't know, 126, I don't know, 127 for the good ones. In Binance, it is 130 per dollar. Okay, this is beyond impressive, all right? Yeah, so guys, use Binance, man. Stop relying on these agents. Binance is the way to go, okay? 130, so you get the full value for your money, okay? Yeah, so that was all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, have a good one.